What's the meaning of bookshelf? Bookshelf. Bookshelf.
Bookshelf. Bookshelf. A bookshelf is a piece of furniture used for storing and displaying books. It typically consists of horizontal shelves that are supported by vertical columns or brackets. Bookshelves come in a variety of sizes and styles, ranging from small, single-shelf units to large, multi-level structures that can cover entire walls. They can be made from various materials, including wood, metal, plastic, and glass. The primary function of a bookshelf is to provide a convenient and organized place for books to be stored and accessed, while also serving as a decorative element in a room.